game video. Get over here. Okay, we're going to take turns doing stages on this obby. We're going to play my sister's game. And, yeah.
His sister name.
My name's Peyton.
Her name. So he has a family. So actually, I'm his partner on YouTube, and I'm his friend.
Yep, best friends forever. Yep, yep, yep.
And he has a little sister. She's in 5th grade, and her name's Annie.
Let's see knowledge about. I'm in 6th grade. He's in
3rd.
Yeah, 3rd, and she's in 5th. I go to Washington Middle School.
And then so.
And then if y'all like Roblox, suggest me some games that y'all play. So like Pearly Girl. Okay, let's say our favorite YouTuber. Mine is Dan Tedium.
My name is Jelly. My favorite YouTuber is Jelly.
I like him. Pretty good. I seen the Trump simulator, so he did. Pretty funny. He used to do like when he was like, "Hey, do you see this react to his first videos? Have you ever seen that?
He can climb like a bee.
I know. He's like, I seen part 1 and part 2. He made a part. You seen that? We're not the best. I'm not the best.
YouTube. I gotta go use the bathroom. I'll be
Okay.
back. I'll be back, guys.
Playing while you're doing it.
Yeah. I gotta go use it.
Dang, I just worked. Y'all probably think I'm weird. Dang it! Gosh, I'm gonna get mad at us like EvanTube did on his speedrun 4. Seeing that he was getting mad, or like Angry Grandpa. Turn it off. So the clowns can. Peyton comes. And if y'all want to friend request me on a Roblox, my name is Five Nights at Freddy's 5. I can't wait till Sister Location comes out. I want to be playing.
Okay, y'all. I will be back in a second. I'm gonna go look for his YouTube channel.
He got the tablet. I like that Tedium. He sounds like a girl, good girl. Cause she's a Tedium.
Oh my gosh, I keep on dying.
I know I died too.
Are you playing the Easter Bunny one?
The one that you joined? I joined?
Yeah, it's Easter Bunny.
Easter Bunny.
I'm on stage 8.
I'm on stage 1. Okay, we're gonna quit this game. I'm not good at all of these.
Please, it's really fun.
Join me.
No.
I'm not playing that. I'm probably gonna play some murder. I'm playing some murder mystery. That game's so freaking fun. I'm addicted to it. I'm on level 6 or 7. Hey! We're playing murder mystery. We're taking turns doing rounds. I'm talking about me, dude. By Nikes. I never knew that dude was named Nikes. I probably got tired of me seeing me die. Of course. Want to do a couple rounds to get tired. Okay, I'm going to do 2 rounds. If you don't hurry up, then what is?
I am almost beating this obby.
My sister just said she's about beating that obby that I was doing.
No.
So hard.
Hard at all. You're just like not good at games.
Better than you at Roblox. I want to be a murderer. I want to be a murderer. I want to be a murderer. You were so. You know what? on my nerves. Our brother bought me this shirt on Roblox. Oh my gosh, we look like twins.
Your brother bought you?
Oh,
Why did you say your brother bought you that shirt on Roblox?
Because he did.
Buy you shirt on Roblox?
I was on Roblox, and he bought me the shirt. He was playing it. Looks like he's stabbing me in the nose. What did you type in?
Peyton Combs.
How did you spell it?
Peyton.
Give it to me.
How can you give an Xbox to him, dummy? Huh? Give it to me.
Oh, he was doing playing with X. He's doing it.
Why don't you say
Peyton. Combs. One time, a sheriff shot me when I was a dang innocent. It got me so dang mad. I didn't even know sheriffs can kill you when you're innocent. You have lost connection to the game? Really? This is freaking bull copy. We're going to go back.
what?
Play. We're going to play now. Whew. This is morning. Let me see what time it is. It's 1:25 in the morning. Last night I stood up so late that my dad told me to go in my room. I was like, you stupid, because he goes to work at 3, and I was up at 3, and when he left, I went back in my sister's room, and we just kept on playing. Oh my gosh, he's listening to me. He's listening to my video, so if you hear it, go, yeah, that's Quentin. That was a jump scare. The skull, we didn't need it. If you want some more facts, just say you do. Please subscribe, please. Oh, and subscribe to Amy. What's her name? She don't want no subscribers. What's her name then? Subscribe to Amy Combs.
Well, I'm about to change it.
She said she thought to change it, so
I got like 10 subscribers.
I'll give you the update. And she has a musically.
No, yeah. I guess I do.
She said she did. Okay, I was watching these Mr. Nightmares, and there's a YouTube channel like does these stories that are supposed to scare you. He did Chuck E. Cheese stuff. I got this song stuck in my head, so I just want to see this Chuck E. Cheese song. It was Chuck E. Cheese in the future. I was like, fuck that dang thing. Shut up, it was so dang annoying.
Look, it's the passes off me.
Do you heard my sister? Wait, this is like,
oh my gosh.
I can hear myself. I can hear Dylan laugh.
I didn't even do that.
Dylan's barely in his video right now. Countdown.
Oh, you're freaking annoying. No offense.
What's this? Murder. You really?
You're freaking annoying in that video, Quentin. No offense.
She just said, I need to find some credits. My sister sucks at this
I know. I made it to stage 16 while you quitted. I'm better at you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. You better not get that credit. I'm coming after this video's done. Turbot the frog.
I'm just gonna stay here. Please subscribe. Hope y'all don't do hate comments about me because of the Rice Gum song. Oh my gosh, I like how it does. Well, this is the end of this video. Stay awesome.